fucking duck! Oh my god, that was gnarly. That thing flew right the fuck in front of me. That had to be a 20-pound bird.